Hello, first grade. It's Miss Murphy here to read you a story. Today we're reading the book called Plant Packages, a book about seeds. This book is written by Susan Blackaby and illustrated by Charlene Delage. And here is the cover. So even though these are drawings, we can assume we're going to learn about seeds in this story, and that makes me think it is a nonfiction story. So let's find out. Here I see the table of contents. In the table of contents, it tells us what we're going to see on each page. So on page 4, we're learning all kinds of seeds. On page 8, we're learning how seeds travel. So if we wanted to learn about a certain thing, we could skip right to that page and learn more about that. All kinds of seeds. A seed is like a little package. Everything the seed needs to make a new plant is inside the package. Seeds come tucked into fruit, cones, pods, and flower heads. They come in all sizes, shapes, and colors. So on this page, I see a title up here saying all kinds of seeds, and that's what we learn about on this page. We learned that seeds come in fruits, in pods, in flowers. Seeds are everywhere. Some seeds are big, and some seeds are almost too small to even see, and they look like specks of dust. So here's an avocado with a big seed. And here we might have some lettuce seeds that grow into heads of lettuce, and then tiny seeds down here. Some seeds are good to eat. And in nonfiction stories, sometimes it gives us little information by the picture. So this says, what seeds have you eaten? Rice, beans, corn, popcorn, sunflower seeds, cocoa beans, pecans, peas, and peanuts. Have you eaten any of those kind of seeds? Here's another title. It says, How Seeds Travel. Seeds cannot move on their own, but a seed from a tree over here can grow into a tree over here. How do seeds move from place to place? So a seed from over here can go over here. How do you think that works? Think about that. How can seeds go from place to place? Some seeds are shaped like wings and twirl to the ground. Some seeds are light and catch the wind. Some seeds are inside heavy cones or pods, and they bounce and scatter when they fall. Some seeds have barbs and burns, and they stick to socks. People and animals carry them from place to place. So there's all different ways they move from place to place. Many seeds are food for animals. Birds, insects, and little animals carry seeds from place to place. They eat the seeds and leave them in their droppings. Here's another title over here telling us about what we're going to learn about on this page, From Seed to Plant. A plant makes lots and lots of seeds, but most of the seeds will not find a place to grow, but some will. Some seeds will hit the ground in a good spot, some will get buried by animals, and some will get planted by people like you. If you want to grow a pumpkin patch, choose a sunny spot. The soil should be dark and crumbly. Use a shovel to loosen the soil. Use a rake to make it smooth. And here we see labeled garden tools. This is what we see in a lot of nonfiction books. We see captions and labels, shovel, rake. These are things we need to plant seeds. Scatter the seeds on the ground, then cover them with a little dirt. Do not put them too close together. They need plenty of room to grow. Sprinkle them with water. Wait water, and watch. After a week or so, the pumpkin seeds will sprout. Grass shoots will reach for the sun. The shoots will grow leaves. Pull out some shoots so that the plants are not crowded and pull any weeds you see. Weed, wait, water, and watch. The shoots will grow into a pumpkin vine and you will see yellow flowers on the vine. So these are the steps to grow a pumpkin. Weed, wait, water, and watch. The yellow flowers will become little green pumpkins on the vine. The pumpkins are the fruit. The pumpkins will get big and ripe. Harvest the pumpkins, scoop out the seeds, and save them to plant your next pumpkin patch. You will have more pumpkins year after year after year. So here in the back of our story, we see some charts that help us learn more, some fun facts to know. This is a lot of what we see in nonfiction books. So think about what all did you learn about in this nonfiction story, Plant Packages. Were these titles and headings and charts, did they make it easier to help you learn? This little box here. Nonfiction books have these things to make it easier for us to learn, like this chart with all the garden tools labeled. So think about how this book helped you learn about seeds. Have a good day.